It's back. This is the Blakey short dress in honey. I am actually wearing a size small this time. The last time I wore a size medium and it was too big in the armholes. This one fits. Okay, I'm a little concerned about this area being a little too tight, but I think it's okay. What do you guys think? It's got the slit on the side. Is this too tight? I have shapewear on, so that kind of helps smooth things out a bit. I like it. Who would have thought? Armholes fit, size medium was too big. This is really cute. It comes in black and this honey. Let's see, it's by Z Supply. It's in a size extra small to an extra large. The size from the shoulder to the hem is 36 inches. This dress is available in a longer length. It's $69. And I don't know, what do you guys think? Is this a keeper? Can also dress it up with a jacket. And if I could put some shoes on, I would put some sandals or some heels on just to kind of pull it all together. Okay, let's start with this wrap. My hair's a mess. The wrap is called a Mila Floral, and it's one size fits all. It is $88. It's a beautiful, beautiful color. It has the sleeves. Look at the pattern on it. Isn't that pretty? Very pretty. If you like wraps. I'm not a wrap girl. Let's see, this is 38 inches from shoulder to the hem. I'm 5'3", so it goes to my knee. I mean, it's very pretty. I'm just not a wrap girl. But look how pretty this is. It really makes for a cute outfit, but this just isn't for me. All right, let me show you this tank. Oh. All right, this is called the Relaxed Organic Tank. I mean, we're talking relaxed. I am wearing a size small, and it is $28, comes in 4 colors by Z Supply. It's just too big. You would need a different bra to wear with this, but it's just, yeah, it's just too big. All right, and even so, I mean, the material feels nice for $28. I mean, but you can find a tank a lot cheaper than that. So, it's a no for me. All right, I'll show you the length after I show you the skirt. This is the same skirt that I received in my last box. So my stylist is reading my feedback that it was too small. This one is a size medium, which is what number is that? A number 2. A 0 is an extra small, a 1 is a small, 2 medium, 3 large, 4 extra large. So this is still too small for this girl. Since my surgery, I've put some weight on. There's the elastic band here. It has a toggle kind of band here, thing here, that you can tighten it. I loosened it as much as I could. It has the pockets. I'm wearing a navy. This is by Sundry. It's just a skirt. It's a navy. It's 17 inches from the waist to the hem, and it's $48, which I think is pretty reasonable. It feels great, but it's too snug for this girl. Yeah. Too tight, and it's a little short, but I think if I sized up to a large, it would fit a little bit longer, because my belly is pulling it up and my hips are pulling it up. Okay, here's the t-shirt. It's a nice length. It's really soft. And I think if it fit, a little bit better, it might be something I would consider buying, but nah, all three of these pieces are going back. How cute is this outfit? This is so cute. It's a nice surprise. Let me show you the two pieces. Oh, wow. Okay, let's talk about this top. This is so cute. This is called the Don't Forget Blouse. Love the names they come up with. It is a mint spritz is the color. I'm wearing a size small. It is by Sanctuary. It's $89, and the shirt comes in an extra small to an extra large. How cute is this? Look at the print close up. Pretty cute. All right, love this. Here's some things I want to point out. It has an elastic waist or hem at the bottom, so it does kind of ride up. It's not too bad. It has elastic around the sleeve. So it's like 3/4 sleeve. They're nice. They're not too tight on me and not too loose, and they're equal. I've had problems before where one was looser than the other, but this feels great. You have the ruching around the neck, drawstrings, which don't bother me, and they kind of blend in with this print. And it is actually buttoned all the way down, and they are working buttons. They're loop buttons. So it's cute. I mean, I love it. It feels great. The only thing is that it's kind of low. So when I first put it on, it's like low like that. So I've gone like this, and I don't know if it will, but then it looks funny in the back. So I'm not sure if it will stay like that. But it sure is cute. I really like this blouse. I don't want to wear a cami underneath it, and I'm not comfortable with how low it is. So more than likely I will probably pass on it. I don't know, I'll have to think about it. I don't want to wear a cami in the summer. Let me tell you, ladies, the hot flashes are back. Ever since I had COVID, all of a sudden the hot flashes are coming back. I don't know if it's the COVID that did it. I don't know if it's the medication I was on. But they are coming back, and I was pretty much almost finished. Anyways, okay, so here's the top, so cute. All right, these shorts, they are really nice. They are a linen short. They're called the Alexa Utility Short by EVEREVE. They come in a size 24 to 32. I am wearing a size 29. The front rise is 10 inches. But the inseam is 4.5 inches, which is a little short for me. They are $78. I love the pockets on these because they're not on the side where they poke out, and they just, I don't know, I just like the look. It's got 2 buttons, so it's got an inner button, and then the outside it zips, and pockets in the back. I don't wear shorts this short. They are mid-rise, but they kind of feel like a high-rise on me. They're really nice, but I won't be comfortable in them because they're too short for me, so I won't reach for them. I think they look cute. I think they look nice, but I'm not going to be comfortable in them, so I'm going to return the shorts. Not sure about the blouse. Let's take another look at this cute outfit. It'll be cuter with some sandals. How cute is this? Pair of cropped pants that aren't very cropped. These are more like ankle on me, but let's take a look at the outfit. Okay, let's start with this top. I had high hopes for this blouse. I'm actually wearing a size medium. It is by Cloth and Stone. It's the washed linen Bandit top, which I guess they consider this the Bandit. It's all stretchy, has the drawstrings. This V-neck I can work with. Did I tell you it's $88? And I don't know, it's something about the color I'm not excited about. It's more like it has the dolman sleeves. Has the elastic waist, which this one seems to ride up on me more than the other blouse. So it's not very, well, I could pull it down here, but it's not going to stay. I'm not excited about this top, so this is gonna be a no. All right, I don't know. I think maybe it's the sleeves that are throwing me off. I'm not crazy about the color either. All right, let's talk about these pants. These are by Level 99. They are the Bette seamed trouser. They're $148. And I am wearing the black. They are high rise, a 25-inch inseam, and the front rise is 11 3/4, which is way too much for this girl. I mean, these need to come up like this. There's so much extra material in these. The inseam is just way too long. These also, I'm wearing the black, and they also come in camo, which on the model you'll see the length that they should really be. Oh, there's pocket, I think. Is there pockets? Or that's just a seam. But the pockets on the side, it has the drawstring. It's got a zipper, 2 buttons. It's not elastic, but really I need to probably pull them all the way up to here for the crotch to fit. I think if they were the right length, like all the way up here, they would be really cute. I like this length in kind of like a flared dress pant. So unfortunately, these are going to be a no. Let me kick that heel off. Let's see. So, I mean, it's a nice Trendsend box. It's just, I think the only thing that I might keep is the dress, but I need to watch the footage back, and maybe the black print top. I think it's called the Forget Me Not blouse. I really like it. It's a little low, so I don't know. Maybe I'll just watch for it to go on sale. But other than that, I don't think I'm going to keep anything else. What do you guys think? Also, thank you. Whoever used my referral link, I get 20% off all the prices that I shared with you. Anything that I keep, I get 20% off. So thank you very much. Whoever used my referral link, I really, really appreciate it. Also, if you've never tried Trendsend, you can get your very first box. Your style fee will be $1. $1. It's normally $20. And you will receive 20% off anything you keep in that box. And if you keep 4 or more items, you will receive an additional 10%. I mean, that's like always getting a sale, but you got to be able to find 4 items to get 20% off typically. But your first box, you will definitely get 20% off of anything that you purchase from that box. So that's it. Oh, and shipping's free. That's it. So thanks for watching, everyone. Have a wonderful morning, afternoon, or evening, wherever you are, from my home to yours.